Hey y'all, so how you doing? Today I am cleaning off my shea butter work stuff. I haven't made shea butter in a long time. Before I got preggers, I was making some a little bit before that. I had kind of stopped. But I am getting back into making it because it's necessary. I'm gonna need it. The baby's gonna need it. My husband needs it. And I can also sell it. So why not? So the shea butter I normally do a melted version and a whipped shea butter. The melted shea usually goes in like these. They're about 2 ounces, I believe, or 2 to 4 ounces. I can't remember. It's about 2 to 4 ounces, and normally you can like throw it in your bag, in your purse, leave it in your car, unless it's really hot, because it's shea butter and it's buttery and it melts. So yeah, I'd be careful, cautious about leaving it in the car on a really hot day. If you do leave it sitting up like this, don't have it like this, because it might try and leak. If it's melting, it might try to leak out from the sides. But yeah, this is one of mine, my old ones. I need the refills. And then the other size is this one. This is one of mine. Ooh, this is one of mine as well. This is the other size. This is the one I normally put the whipped shea butter. I'm not completely finished with this one yet, but yeah, I normally put the whipped shea butter in here. Whew. Baby's kicking me. I believe this was 16 ounces. I can't remember exactly. I have to look back at my books to see what it is, but yeah. So right now I'm just trying to clean this stuff out. I use boiling hot water with white vinegar, and I use dish soap, Dawn soap, to help take off the greasy, not greasy, but buttery residue off of the items. So I've already washed a couple things off, like the utensils that I normally use over here. So there's those, to get this out of the way. But yeah, I use white vinegar, the Dawn soap, and then here are some of the stuff I cleaned out already. And I have to clean the Kenmore for the blending or whipping of shea butter. I have to finish cleaning this out. And then I have my, what do you call it? So basically a slow cooker. Rice cooker, whatever you want to call it. I use that to melt the shea butter instead of, using fire or, using the stove and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hey y'all, so that was basically just me cleaning out my shea butter stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do that. So next I'm going to let this sit for a little bit, even though I did dry it out from the vinegar. I had already put vinegar in the pool of boiling water initially to clean it out with the soap, and so then I just put vinegar on a cloth to finalize the sanitization, and then dry it off so it's not soaked, and so it dries out a little faster. But yeah, soon after it all dries, if I have time right now, I'm going to make some shea. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do that. Quick, simple.
Yeah. I got faith, I pray I don't stray away. I fast and pray to keep them demons out my face. I'm trying to lead my people to the heaven gate.
All right, see you guys later.